Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the machine learning. Machine learning is the science that allow computer to learn and improve their learning over the time. So as I had discussed in the previous video that I want that the robot should play the game. So for that, if I want that the robot should play the game automatically, so for that we have to train this robot. How we will train? For that we will use the previous data like chess related details, like some rules book of the chess and the previous game data, those data which we got from the previous games, like which were played among the different players. So those data we have. So what we will do, we will feed this data in the robot. So how we will feed? We will take this data and we will use machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm is a set of instructions or rules which are written in some language, and there is some math behind the algorithm. So for that, what we will do, we will feed this data in the machine learning algorithm, and after that, once we will feed, this machine learning algorithm will be trained according to this data. So machine learning algorithm will be trained, then we will get the final model. This is our the final model with this data. So now we will ask to robot play the game. So robot will play with this machine learning model. Apply this machine learning model inside the robot. So this robot will play. This is a human being. Okay, this is a human being. He will play this human being. After that, might be he can win the match or might be he can lose the match. So according to this, he will learn something. He will learn something from this match. So as the time pass, he will play more matches, so he will learn automatically. So after some time later, he will learn enough to play the chess game with world best player. This way machine learning works. It means we need machine learning algorithm and some previous data which required to train the model, and after that it automatically learn from their experience. As he play the game, by using that game, he learns from the game and he modify their learning, just like a retrain their algorithm according to their new games. So this way machine learning works. In a summarize, we can say that machine learning is a science that allow computer to learn. It means how the machine learn itself and how they improve their learning over the time. As this robot, it learn from this data and improve their learning from their previous matches. So as the time passes, he learned enough and he can play the chess with the world best player. So this is all about the machine learning. Why machine learning is so popular now? As we know, machine learning has been there for last few decades, and now why it is so popular now? There are many reasons. As you guys know, in the earlier days, if we talk about the like 1990 or like 1980s, on that time or 2000, on that time the amount of the digital data which was generated on that time is very less. If we talk about the 21st century, from like 2001 to till now, the amount of the data which is being currently generated is very huge. And on that time the data which was generated is very less. On that time we had used statistical based approach, but now because the data is very huge, so we cannot use statistical based approach. We cannot use statistics to solve the problem or to get insight from the data. Like this is your data and the data size is like 10 million rows, so we cannot use like statistics to find the insight from the data, because statistics is not a good approach or it is not capable to handle this huge amount of the data. So for that we use machine learning, which can get insight from the data and which can easily handle this huge amount of the data. And second reason is that on this time computing capacity of the processor and RAM is very less, but nowadays we have a high computing capacity like GPU, TPUs. On that time we had, but the problem was that on that time we did not have so much capacity, but now we have a very high computing capacity right now. We have GPUs, TPUs, and also the costing is very less as compared to these days. If we talk about the 4 GB RAM, the same price, on a same price we can get 400 GB RAM right now. So you can see what was the cost on that time and what is the cost on these days. These are the main reason, that's why we use machine learning based approach right now to get insight from the data or get some pattern insight from the data. Why the need of machine learning? Earlier we observed that why the machine learning is so popular now, but why the need of machine learning? Machine learning has been there for the last few decades, and why it is so popular now? Because the amount of the digital data being generated is huge. So that's why, because the data is being generated huge, so that's why to process the data we need machine learning or a deep learning and extracting meaningful information from the used data, as we had discussed. So for that it is very difficult task for the human or a statistical based approach, so we use machine learning or a deep learning to get insight from the data. Third one is the extraction of pattern from the large data can easily be accomplished by the machine, because human is not capable, or statistical based approach is not capable to get insights from the data if the data size is very large. Data size is very large. On that case, these machine based approach like machine learning or deep learning based approach is very suitable for this type of the data. So that's why we need machine learning.